What is white balance in photography? Well, white balance tells your camera how to read and reproduce color based on the type of lights in your scene, especially how it interprets white. And that matters more than you might think. When white doesn't look white, nothing else looks quite right. Now, every type of light has a different color. Sunlight looks cooler and a little bit blue in the daytime. Indoor lights can have a warm orange feel, and fluorescent lights often have a greenish tint. Now, your camera has to figure that out. And that's what white balance does. It helps correct the color so things look natural. Skin tones, clothes, backgrounds, they all appear the way your eye expects them to. Now, this isn't just about a technical correctness. It's about how guests perceive the quality of their photo. If a portrait has a strong blue, yellow, or green tint, most people won't recognize it as a white balance issue. Well, then what does it feel right? And they'll be less likely to love, purchase, and share that image. Now, things get even more challenging in a mixed lighting scenario. Imagine taking a Souvenir photos indoors under mixed ambient lighting. One light might look cool, one might look warm, and if you're using a flash, it might not match the ambient temperature. The photo might look off, and if you don't have a way to balance that, it might not look great. That's why white balance is especially important in souvenir photography, because it directly impacts the perceived quality and consistency, both of how they influence guest satisfaction and also purchasing decisions. In environments where you control the lighting, like studios or green screen setups, you can lock in a custom white balance for excellent results. But in unpredictable settings like outdoors where you're moving around or near different ambient lighting, you can use camera preset modes such as daylight, shade, flash, and so on. You can use these gel and color modifiers on your flash too to match color temperatures of other ambient light in the environment. Now, master white balance helps ensure your images feel clean, professional, and print ready, with skin tones that look natural, not tinted. Guests may not know why it looks better, but they'll feel it. If you want cleaner color, more flattering portraits, and guest-ready images, click the link in the description to explore more terms and tips in our full photography glossary.